What up, what up? What's going on out there, YouTube? As you can see here, got the Kx125 up in the house. About to be doing kind of like a restoration a little bit. Not too much. Got some plans for it. Plan on restoring the bike pretty much. Got new plastics on the way. Seat cover, hand grips, hand guards. Gonna do a top end rebuild on it. Probably a new carb, maybe chain and a sprocket too. We gotta see. But what all I do to it, I'm gonna put it here on this video. So I'm just going, this right here, just like a little intro, just showing y'all like a before and after. This is what it is right here. This is what it looks like. Close up of it. Had the spare room, man. This winter time. So I was like, man, I don't feel like working on this thing outside there in the cold, so bring it up in the house. Why not? This whole room smells straight like two-stroke gas, but hey, got the window cracked right now, trying to get some breeze through here. Man, I'm excited right now though. Phone blowing up. I'm excited right now to get this thing underway. I got a couple parts in already, just like the grips and the hand guards. I'm gonna be ordering it piece by piece. Working on it. As of today, pretty much what I'm going to do is strip the bike down, take all the plastics off. I already drained out the gas, so I got this plastic underneath it for little gas that was leaking out at first, but I got all the gas out of there now. Probably drain the fluids out, stuff like that, get it situated. Well, other than that though, man, this is going to be it right here though. Hopefully it's going to be the last time you see this KX looking like this. She about to get cleaned up. She about to get a remake. Lucy gonna be killing them out here. Let's go.
Got 'em saying la di da, da la di da, la di da, la di da. Got 'em saying la di da, la di da, la di da, la di da. Got 'em saying la di da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la di da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la di da. Step into the club, just popping my head around. People screaming la di da, the new anthem is going down. Booty shaking everywhere, and my voice in they hear the sound. Say it's my prerogative, and I'm dancing like Bobby Brown. How do you do? My name is Prince Drew, nice to meet you. So many women in here, but girl, I got my eye on you. Time to everybody drunk out on the dance floor. One shot, two shots, three into the floor. La di da, la di da, la di da. Got 'em saying la di da.
Got the whole entire bike stripped down now. I mainly just did the plastics on camera, and everything else I was mainly doing it off camera. I ain't had time like to try to set up, try to record. Been like a couple days since I started the project, man. You can see I took everything out, man. The motor out. Only thing I left on was the tires, swing arm, shocks, handlebars, forks, stuff like that. Took all the wiring off, everything off, stripped it down bare bone. I was gonna take off the subframe. I forgot I'm gonna leave that on. And now the only thing I'm gonna be doing now is just cleaning up everything. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna catch of that, but I'm gonna try to catch some footage of me just cleaning up stuff. I'm gonna take the bike out of my house now. I'm gonna take it down to the car wash probably one day coming up. Power wash the whole thing, cause it still got all kinds of mud and dirt, everything caked up everywhere. Oh, she's dirty, still dirty. I took my chain and everything off, might soak that. But I don't know, I might end up getting a new chain and sprocket, so that's why I'm just waiting on the chain right now, dear. So I don't know for sure. We'll see what she gonna be like. I had dirt everywhere. I mean, everywhere. Got dirt just packed up in there for no reason. This is what you looking like right now, man. This is the thing. It's getting there though. We coming along now though, man. Getting stuff together. Got parts. Got a lot of parts already came in. Already got my new plastics. Already put the decals on them. Already redid my seat and everything. Already got my new seat cover on. Looks awesome. Videos up for that also, so make sure y'all check them things out. But when I start putting everything back together, I'm gonna should put annotations for these video links if I don't put it on this video here, but I'm doing everything. But this is it, man. Let's go ahead and start cleaning up some parts now.
La da dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da. So now we at it again, back on it. Me and my friends turn to the mass and it's love like us sure wanna make love. I know you feeling this, bobbing your head to the shit. Beat is so exclusive, cause these towns spit out that fluid shit. Doing it, we rockin' out, we fly, rolling up to light it up and tell them get high, something you can't deny. I bet you are surprised that girl booty looking juicy, I can't divert my eyes. Da la da dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee da. Wobbly, shake it. Drop it down low to the floor, I can take it. Putting in that work. Putting some dirt. Everybody saying, la-di-da-di-da-di. We like the party. Shake it, baby, shake it, girl, you don't hurt nobody. La-di-da-di-da-di. We like the party. Twerk it, have that work like you need pussy, everybody. La-da-di-da, la-da-di-da, la-da-di-da. Got 'em saying la-di-da, la-da-di-da. Da la da dee da, da la da dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da la dee da, da la dee da, da la dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da la dee da, da la dee da, da la dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da da da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da, da la da dee da. Got 'em saying la dee da, da 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 da. Got 'em saying la dee. Hey, Dizzle, J Hustle. DDP on the sticks, nigga, my nigga.
Hey, it's a
Ohio, 740, nigga. 740, you know how we do, nigga. Yeah. It's that shit just to lay back to, you know what I mean? Smoking on something. Ay. Hey, today's the day. Stay on a positive route and make a way. If you feeling down and out to try and make a change or make a pay, we waiting on them greater days. I say, hey, today's the day. Stay on a positive route and make a way. If you feeling down and out to try and make a change or make a pay, we waiting on them greater days.
I lay my head on my pillow, hope for bad the blessings, but I'm stressing, sweating, thinking about how God is testing all the major pages, chapters, and things I'm neglecting. Trying to figure out my purpose, yeah, I feel regretted. Made some changes to my life so you can see my smile. Fresh kicks and heavy boat that I can walk for miles. Belly full for negativity, I eat at trial. Niggas trying to keep me down, but I keep float like owls. Got a few in my circle trying to hold on tight, but don't seem right till money starts to take a flight. Now they guard me like an angel when I sleep at night. Had to break them off my shoulders so my feet sit right. On the date when your mind's still full of dots. I'm stupid like Notch, trying to get this move to pop. I'm shaking out my soul trying to see who's my pops, but who's forgot. He left me all confused a lot. I asked my grandpa if he could see me now. Believe me now, please get me off these streets somehow. Kiss my mother on the cheek in case she leave me now. I got some friends who lost their moms but ain't weeping now. Flashing lights from their cameras of some faked out friends. Using all up in my face, trying to shake my head. My head so ends is my job, but keep pushing again. I'm trying to feed my daughter even if I'm starving the end.
Hey, today's the
the day. Stay on a positive route and make a way. If you feeling down and out, to try and make a change or make a pay. We waiting on them greater days. I say, hey, today's the day. Stay on a positive route and make a way. If you feeling down and out, to try and make a change or make a pay. We waiting on them greater days. Snuck back into the